Hi, I have seen many people using verb incorrectly while conversing with the people. So I thought why not to give it a shot? And somehow I happened to make a video on the use of has in have. How to use the verb has in have incorrectly while conversing with the people. So let's get started.
Use of has and have. Firstly, we will talk about the use of has. Has is used with the single subject, जो आपका single subject होता है, कर्ता होता है, doer होता है किसी action का. That is your single subject. वो single होना चाहिए या that could be a single person, single animal, or any single thing. That should be a single noun. And the single pronouns are those pronouns which are used in place of singular noun. Example, he, she, it. But here I is an exception. With along with I you cannot use has. Okay, so for examples, Disha has beautiful eyes. Disha is a subject here and it is a single subject. सिंगल सब्जेक्ट, एक अकेला सब्जेक्ट है ये. दिशा इज अ सिंगल सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो विद सिंगल सब्जेक्ट you will use has to show the belongingness or possession. Disha has beautiful eyes. He she has to be careful. He and she, these are your singular pronouns, single pronoun which are used in place of single noun. Single noun में he की जगह आपका किसी boy का name हो सकता है, she की जगह you can use a girl's name. So these are a single pronoun which are used in place of single noun. So with single subject, these are a single subject और single subject के साथ भी आप क्या use करते हैं, has. Elephant is an animal. It's a single, it's an example of single नाउन, सिंगुलर नाउन. एलिफेंट. ओके, आपका यहाँ पे एलिफेंट्स नहीं है, एलिफेंट है. सो विद एलिफेंट यू विल यूज हैज. एलिफेंट हैज बिग ईयर्स. ये भी आपका इट इज ऑल्सो योर सिंगल सब्जेक्ट. ओके, इट, इट इज योर single pronoun. It has a good quality, so with it you will use has, not have. Okay, whereas if we talk about have is used with plural noun and pronoun. जो आपके plural noun और pronoun होते हैं उनके साथ आप have use करोगे. For example, girls. Girls is an example of plural pronoun. Plural noun. So with girls you will use have. With girls you cannot use has. Okay. If I had used girl here, then in that case you could have used has here. Okay, but here I have mentioned girls, so you will use have. Girls have beautiful eyes. Use of has and have in present perfect tense. Okay, first we will talk about the use of has in present perfect tense. And before telling you about the present perfect tense, I would like to tell you that जो आपके present tense होते हैं, they have four forms. The first is simple present, second is present continuous, third is present perfect, and fourth is present perfect continuous. Okay, so in present perfect, here's the structure for present perfect tense. What structure can a sentence have when you are talking about the present perfect perfect tense? Subject plus has plus verb in third form plus object. Okay, so here in present perfect tense you will always use has. जब आपका कोई एक्शन हो चुका होता है, हो चुका है या हो चुकी है, जब आपका कोई भी एक्शन हो चुका होता है, okay, there you use has. And these kind of sentences are used in present tense. जब आपके present में आप कोई चीज बोलते हो किसी एक्शन के बारे में जो थोड़े ही पहले हो चुका है बट इन प्रेजेंट ही हुआ है. ओके, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंट जो प्रेजेंट से रिलेटेड रहता है. ठीक है, बट थोड़ी ही देर पहले वो इवेंट क्या है, दैट हैज बीन फिनिश्ड और जो खत्म हो चुका है. He has finished the work. वो अपना वर्क फिनिश्ड कर चुका है. ये अभी प्रेजेंट में ही किया है बट जस्ट थोड़ी देर पहले किया है. सो हियर यू विल यूज हैज फिनिश्ड विद हैज विद द वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर थिंग दैट आपके जो हैज हैव एंड हैड होते हैं इनके साथ हमेशा आप वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करोगे. Okay, whenever you are talking about present perfect tense और past perfect tense, तो आप हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करोगे हैज और हैव या हैड के साथ. तो आपका ही इज योर सिंगल सब्जेक्ट. तो इट्स अ वेरी ऑब्वियस थिंग. इट इज अंडरस्टूड कि सिंगल सब्जेक्ट के साथ यू विल यूज हैज, एंड व्हेन इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस देन यू विल यूज द third form of verb. Okay, Seema has written an article. Seema, your single subject. With single subject you will use has, and if it is an example of present perfect tense you will use verb in third form. Okay, similarly, Lion has killed the rabbit. Single subject, your has and verb in third form. Clear? Whereas in have is also used in present perfect tense but with the plural noun and pronoun. अगर आपका plural noun है या pronoun है तो उसके साथ आप use करोगे your have. We is an example of plural pronoun. So you will use have with the plural. आपका noun हुआ या pronoun हुआ. So you will use have here. Finished, the third form of verb. Everything will remain same in case of have, but just there's one difference that your have will depend on the number of the subject. आपका have यहाँ पे ये जो आपका subject है वो plural है तो आपका have जो है this is also plural. Okay, so we have finished the verb. Finished, your verb in third form. Lions have killed the rabbit. The example is same that I have taken from here, but the subject, this verb has and have, they will change according to the subject. यहाँ पे आपका subject plural है तो आपकी verb भी plural हो जाएगी. Lions have killed, verb in third form, the rabbit. Lions have killed the rabbit. They have written an article. They, your plural subject, and plural subject you will use with plural subject you will use plural verb, and written, it is a verb in third form, an article. They have written an article. Okay, you all you need to is that just revise. Use of has and have in present perfect continuous tenses. Before elaborating about use of has and have, I would like to tell you about the what are present perfect continuous tenses. So present perfect continuous tenses are those tenses which refer to a sentence in which an action and activity has been shown and that action and that activity has started earlier. कोई भी एक्टिविटी और एक्शन आपका पहले शुरू हो चुका है बट इट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, इट इज स्टिल इन मोशन. लेकिन वो एक्टिविटी या फिर वो टास्क आपका अब भी चल रहा है प्रेजेंट में, बट कुछ समय पहले वो शुरू हुआ है लेकिन it is still going on. So that is an example of present perfect continuous tenses. So if you are using the example of present perfect continuous tenses and saying something related to present perfect continuous tenses, you must be sure of the structure and you must be aware of the structure that you are using, that your structure should have these four important thing in it. The first one is subject, has and have depending on the number of the subject. If your subject is singular you will use has, if your subject is plural you will use have. Been, and third is verb, first form of verb with ing. Okay, and then the object which your subject which is receiving the action of the subject. Okay, for example, she has, here you will use has with she because she is your singular subject. She has been singing for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से गाना गा रही है. उसे 2 घंटे पहले गाना शुरू किया है लेकिन she is still singing the song. लेकिन अब भी उसका जो song है, जो एक्शन है वो अब भी चल रहा है. So she has been singing for 2 hours. They is your plural subject, so with they you will use have. They have been reading since morning. उन्होंने सुबह से पढ़ना शुरू किया लेकिन अभी भी उनकी रीडिंग प्रेजेंट में क्या है, चल रही है. So this is also an example of present perfect continuous tense. Riya, single subject, so with single subject you will use has. Riya has been running for an hour. रिया ने 1 घंटे पहले दौड़ना शुरू किया, लेकिन अभी भी वो क्या है? Still she is running. So Riya has been running for an hour. We have been, your plural subject. For plural subject you will use plural verb. We have been thinking about it since long. हम काफी पहले से इसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, काफी पहले सोचना शुरू किया, लेकिन still क्या you are thinking about that particular thing. So we have been thinking about it since long. So this is all about the use of has and have in brief. I hope this is clear to you all, and please do share the video, like the video, and subscribe the channel.